Performing eye budding. To perform this budding technique, you will need the following: budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock, and another rootstock with a healthy bud stick. Identify the active growth parts of the plant. This usually found around the middle part of the stem, where the green and brown bark meets. Select the healthy bud stick from the rootstock. Cut the bud and remove it from the rootstock. And the other rootstock, make a eye shape slit around the active growth parts. Scrap the bark open and place the bud stick into the slit. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the union. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the bud starts to swell.